What's going on, guys? Yellow Inspire here today, and today it's late. It is, and probably gonna stay up all night editing and uploading this video. But anyway, that's not why we're here. I was thinking I want to watch some Morgz. No, I wasn't. I ran out of ideas, and Morgz is always a goldmine for views. So we're gonna watch some Morgz. Yeah. I'll see you guys in a minute. Yeah. So this video is called I bought my mum a new car and then destroyed it. Don't know why. Probably the one amount of views that he's making, he could probably buy another one. But anyway, I don't know why, but we're gonna watch this.
The surprise is just up ahead.
Oh, sorry guys.
And now we have finished destroying the car.
Oh my god.
Mum, yo, stay back. I'm gonna be pulling the most savage prank ever done on
Savage
YouTube.
prank? No, that's
You've
just
seen people
being.
destroying their friends' cars and surprising them with a new one. But today
What videos
I'm
are
gonna
you
be
watching?
taking the idea and flipping it. Because today I am surprising my mum with a brand new car, then destroying it. Now guys,
Right then. So as you heard, that was the intro. Just him. Yeah. I thought my dog was wagging his tail. He's asleep on my bed at the minute. But anyway, let's get back to the point. I'm still wasting time. So I'm trying to get your video to 10 minutes. But anyway. Yeah. I can't remember what I was saying, so let's carry on.
I'm gonna lose loads of money pulling off this prank and probably a few limbs if Mum gets hold of me. So if you guys could subscribe to the channel, that would mean the world to me. And also I'm giving away a brand new iPhone and the winner is announced at the end of the month. And all you have to do to enter is subscribe to the channel and watch till the end of the video. And before you guys all comment down below saying I am the worst son ever, after the prank I'm going to be giving my mum $10,000.
Of course you are.
Well guys,
And
that
you win
is it. I'm still
$10,000
alive by
are
then.
like best friends. Like, can you remember the videos for like a month? £10,000 in every single title. Oh, no wonder he can have £10,000 in every single title. Look how many mid-rolls he has on a 20-minute video.
But guys, without further ado, it's time to begin the prank. Let's go find Mum and surprise her.
Okay, I'm gonna skip until we actually get to the prank. So I'll see you guys in a minute. Okay, so I didn't. Okay, I didn't start then, but they're in their car dealership.
Mum, we've stopped because we are here. Right in front of you, Mum, is the surprise gift that you've been waiting for. I just have one question.
Gucci blindfold?
Are you ready?
I'm ready!
Well then, guys, let's do this.
Why is she so happy? She's had a son from Morgz that's done awful things to her, even though it's probably all fake, but still. The BMW. I don't know much about cars, so it could be anything. I have no idea what it would be.
Isn't it kind of obvious?
Oh, you passed your driving test and you want to get a car. And is this it? Is this your new car? Great choice, Morgan. I'm so proud of you. Congratulations.
Oh,
Well done.
thank you.
When you tell your mum if you pass your test, you're not just gonna suddenly turn up in our driveway. Oh yeah, by the way, Mum, I passed my test. Forgot to tell you though. So, his mum thinks that he passed his test and he's getting a car. He'll probably get a Tesla if he ever passes his test. But now she's probably gonna find out that it's hers. So yeah, let's carry on with the video.
Unfortunately, Mum, I haven't actually passed my driving test yet. I haven't
Did you even take
applied for
any?
it.
I don't understand, Morgan. If the surprise isn't that you're getting a car, then what are we doing here? I don't understand. What's the
Why
surprise?
can't you give it to him?
Mum, I told you earlier I had a surprise for you.
Do you mean that's my car?
Mum,
Have you bought me that car?
Mum, Mum, that's your car. That's yours. That's your car, Mum. I bought you that car. That's what we're doing here. You've always wanted a convertible. You said it yourself.
Really, Morgan? Are you kidding? Is it really mine?
I'm
Oh,
not
this is
joking,
gonna
Mum. This
tear
is
to
your
my
car.
eye.
I just can't believe it, Morgan. Is it really mine?
It's yours.
No,
I
it's
wanted
someone
one of
else.
these for ages. I've
It's
been
mine.
trying to
What are you
save
on about? It's
up.
I know
mine.
you've always said you wanted a
Can't even
convertible.
drive. I can't even drive legally anyway. Or legal.
Have you really done this for me? Have you really bought it? Oh, Morgan.
She doesn't know, but in probably about 10 minutes, she's gonna try and smack her son with a sledgehammer. That's my clickbait. Anyway, more skipping to the actual prank, so we'll be there in a minute. 10 minutes later.
The safety equipment, because safety is #1 priority. Okay,
Yes.
guys, now that we've got our weapons, it is time to destroy the car. But I think we could use some extra help. Hey, Martin, do you want to help me destroy Mum's new car?
Can't do that, Morgan. She'll kill me.
But Martin, it's fun.
Let's do it.
Okay, guys,
That
this
is
is
the
it. It is
worst
time
laugh
for the
ever.
moment you've all been waiting for. Free!
Go on, Morgan.
He loves to shout, don't he? I've mentioned this in nearly all my videos, but he loves to shout. Like, does he think all his viewers are deaf or listen to it with 1 bar of volume? Like, you don't have to shout that loud.
Do it. Do it.
2!
Go on, Morgan. Let's have some fun.
1!
Go on.
Ah. I can't do it.
Go over for him.
Whoa, what are you doing? Martin? Martin! What are you doing?
2.
Oh, oh my god. He's not actually going to do this, is he? Oh! Martin, look what you did. You actually did it. I don't believe it.
Morgan.
What did you think
There's
he
no
was going
time
to
to
do?
hold back.
You
It's
give the
time
ball
to
guy a
destroy this
sledgehammer.
thing.
He's
Take
not
that
gonna
stupid jacket
hit
off
the
too.
floor, is
You
he?
look
Or he's
like a
not gonna
traffic
look at it and
light.
try and hit you.
3, 2,
What am I ain't even on about?
1.
I don't know, I suppose he can even touch 10.
Whoa!
I'm loving this.
Okay guys, and that's the end of the video. Yeah. I got bored. Pretty much, yeah. So, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, I know this wasn't as more exciting as one of my others. Well, most of my others. I'm sorry I'm not as exciting as Morgan. I can't give anyone £10,000 all the time because I don't make anything from YouTube and I don't have a job, so yeah. So yeah. And it also is 3:30 in the morning, so it looks like I'm not going to bed. So I'm officially a YouTuber because I have a messed up sleep schedule. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please leave a like, subscribe, turn notifications on because that's what you need to do on YouTube now. And all the links to everything will be in the description. If you want to see more rounds or anything like that, please put it down below. And yeah, see you in the next video. Peace.